Hi there! Today we're going to talk about a common health issue that affects millions of people around the world: yeast infections. We'll be discussing what causes these infections, how to identify the different types of discharge, and most importantly, what are the home remedies for yeast infections, helping you understand everything you need to know about this condition. So let's get started. First things first, what exactly is a yeast infection? A yeast infection, also known as Candidiasis, is an overgrowth of the Candida fungus, which normally lives in small amounts on our skin and inside our bodies. Yeast infection is a fungal infection that occurs in the genital area, causing symptoms such as itching, burning, and abnormal discharge. There are various types of yeast infections, but the most common one affects the genital area, particularly in women. 1. Normal discharge. Normal vaginal discharge is usually clear or milky white, with a slightly sticky consistency. It helps to keep the vagina clean and moist, and may change in amount or consistency throughout your menstrual cycle. 2. Yeast infection discharge. Discharge caused by a yeast infection is typically thick, white, and clumpy, often described as cottage cheese-like. It can also be odorless or have a mild, yeasty smell. If you're experiencing itching, redness, and irritation along with this type of discharge, it's possible that you may have a yeast infection. 3. Bacterial vaginosis discharge. Bacterial vaginosis, or BV, is another common infection that can cause an abnormal discharge. This discharge is usually thin, gray, or greenish, and has a strong fishy odor. If you suspect you have BV, it's important to see a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and treatment. 4. Gonorrhea or chlamydia discharge. Discharge associated with gonorrhea or chlamydia can be yellow, green, or cloudy, and may be accompanied by pain, bleeding, or a burning sensation during urination. These sexually transmitted infections require medical attention and treatment with antibiotics. Home remedies can be a great way to help alleviate symptoms and support your body's natural healing process. While they may not cure a yeast infection entirely, they can provide some relief and potentially prevent future infections. Keep in mind, though, that it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional if you're unsure about your symptoms or if home remedies aren't providing the relief you need. With that said, let's dive into some popular home remedies for yeast infections. 1. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is known for its antifungal properties and can be used topically to treat yeast infections. Apply coconut oil to the affected area several times a day. 2. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is another natural antifungal that can be used topically to treat yeast infections, and it's not recommended for pregnant or nursing women. Mix a few drops of tea tree oil with a carrier oil, such as coconut or almond oil, and apply it to the affected area. 3. Garlic. Garlic has antifungal properties that can be taken orally or applied topically to treat yeast infections. You can crush a few garlic cloves and apply the paste to the affected area or add garlic to your diet. However, keep in mind that applying garlic directly to the skin can cause irritation in some individuals. 4. Yogurt. Yogurt contains beneficial bacteria that can help restore the natural balance of yeast and bacteria in the body. Eating yogurt with live cultures or applying it topically to the affected area may help alleviate symptoms. 5. Maintain proper hygiene. Keep your genital area clean and dry, and avoid using harsh soaps or scented products that may cause irritation. 6. Wear breathable clothing. Choose underwear made from natural breathable materials like cotton, and avoid tight-fitting clothes that can trap moisture. 7. Change out of wet clothes quickly. Don't stay in wet swimwear or sweaty workout clothes for too long, as this creates a breeding ground for yeast. 8. Practice safe sex. Using condoms during sexual activity can help prevent the spread of yeast infections. 9. Manage stress. Chronic stress can weaken your immune system, making you more susceptible to infections. Incorporate stress reduction techniques, such as meditation, yoga, or exercise into your daily routine. 10. Monitor blood sugar levels. If you have diabetes, maintaining proper blood sugar levels can help prevent yeast infections. Besides home remedies, there are some medical treatments available. Over-the-counter antifungal creams, ointments, or suppositories. These can be purchased at your local pharmacy and are typically applied directly to the affected area. Your doctor may prescribe an oral antifungal medication or a stronger topical treatment if your infection is more severe or persistent. It is important to note that home remedies may not work for everyone and may not be suitable for people with certain medical conditions. Always consult with the healthcare provider before trying any new remedies or treatments. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health-related content. Until next time, stay healthy and take care.